Hello, hey, just want to say hi. My name is Andy and go over this new 2026 Power Pack program. So we gave it the name Power Pack 2026 because it's for 2026 and what it include, okay? Now, hear me out. Let me go through this list right here. I have it right in front of me. So the membership program includes support and technical services for Adelo Express. Okay, if you're using Adelo Express, you will get that support. You have a team of dedicated technicians in a Telegram group chat dedicated to help you with your support. So credit card chargeback. Sometimes you get those chargeback, and you don't want to call. Well, here you can just take a picture, post it into the group chat. We actually have a live staff who will take that and call the credit company to find out if they can dispute it and help you win the money back. Okay, Adelo Express Masa online support. So you have your online support turned on for Masa. We will help you put on the pictures, the crop pictures and stuff like that. So you have a nice online platform. Okay. Now we do have exclusive membership only discount. Okay, some of the discount we mentioned here on the form is you can have 3 months of free robot usage. So you can turn it on. You still got to pay for the setup. However, 3 months of usage before you decide to keep it or not. Okay, you have 3 months of free internet. 3 months of free internet. So you can cancel your whatever carrier you're with and use this internet or keep it running at the same time just to make sure that it's stable. If it's stable for about 3 weeks, you can pretty much turn off the other internet company. And we have many customers who is using our 5G internet, very stable internet, okay? Very stable. CRM digital website QR code service upon request. So you can actually ask the team to turn on a CRM system where you can have intake form, collect customer information, have automation, drip campaigns, schedule, preset. Okay, the platform is there for you. You have to learn how to use it. We can train you how to use it, but this will automatically send messages to customers, email blast, text blast. Okay, with permission, of course, right? But we have the portal to handle all that. The portal also have like this pretty cool feature where you can someone give you a comment like on Facebook or Google, AI can respond for you. It's pretty nice. The AI response is actually better than when I respond myself. You can set it for like respond after 2 minutes or respond after 5 minutes, and you can add a little footer at the bottom, like what I do for my restaurant. The footer say after the respond, like, hey, thank you for enjoying the chubby Andy roll. I'm glad you like it, and thank you for your 5-star review. Please click and accept our gift of a $5 gift card for your next visit. Right, you can add these things in there, and Adelo Express has the self-click claim gift card feature. It's called promo card. Okay. Also, so QR code, you can request a QR code, website. Okay, these are by request. It's free. You when you're ready for it, just request for it. The reason why we don't just do it because not all the customer we have care about the website. And then we end up doing a lot of work, making a very nice website that never get put to use, right? So when you ask for it, we'll turn it on and give it to you for free. There's no charge, okay? These website alone is like $1,800 design fee. Even after discount, it's still $1,000. Then you have a monthly management fee. So this is all included with the Power Pack 2026, okay? QR code. You know how people scan the QR code and go to view the menu? Guess what? We have it here. It's free. Unlimited QR code. So you can ask our team to generate QR code for you. There's no limit on how many times people can scan and click. Our QR code is unlimited, okay? And then we can turn that on for you. We can even add your logo right in the middle so you have a custom QR code, okay? Program and consultation. So think about this. Our team consists of a lot of restaurant owners. Because over the years, a lot of customers might become friends, and they actually know the system pretty well. And they like it. They've been using it, and then they decided to join PlanetPOS in helping other restaurant owner use the same software. Now, remember, Adelo Express, there's no subscription fee. It's free. And a lot of time when it's free, people think it's less valuable. It is not, okay? There is a subscription if you do not process credit card with Adelo Pay. But if you process with the right processor, Adelo Pay is one of them. But there's others. You can get the software unlimited and free, okay, for life. So No, I shouldn't say for life, for until you cancel the account, okay? But anyways, it's a free software. Unlike other competitors, product out there, you end up paying a subscription fee, software rental fee, okay? Here with Adelo Express, there's no monthly fee. You just pay the credit card processing fee, and everything's all included, okay? So you can have consultation. You can actually call and talk to another restaurant owner. Schedule a time. We have guys like Wayne, Jack, who own Hunan House, Wayne, who own Kobe Sushi and Taiko Sushi. These guys, like, any one of them have like over 10 to 20 years of experience. I think Wayne's like 30 years of restaurant experience, and he knows his number pretty well. The guys that we work with actually knows number pretty well. Sit down with them. They look through your restaurant. You have some leak. They'll find the leak and help you fix it. Okay, this is a very valuable service that we decided to add onto our program. Consultation from another restaurant owner with experience. Okay, so nobody else out there selling POS system can or that I know of are offering this kind of service, and it's free. It's all included with the service. Okay, hardware protection. If you buy your hardware through PlanetPOS and you sign up for the program within 30 days, okay, all the hardware you purchase from us, network hardware, iPad, will be covered. Anything goes wrong, we'll just buy you a new one and swap you out. We just don't want you to experience any bad experience. We want you to enjoy your experience with PlanetPOS while you're a member of our company. And it's our way of saying thank you for trusting us at the beginning and trying us out. Okay. One of the cool things that I also included, tax advisory benefit. So if you have a tax return from last year, we can help you identify how much you overpay. So you know how like a lot of a tax preparer will file your tax and prepare you to pay IRS the amount you owe, but we can identify overpayment. And we have done it for many customers as well. Some find $60,000, some find $200,000 in overpayment to IRS. And we teach you how to save this money. Okay, this is a huge change in our service. There's a huge twist. Okay, so take advantage of that service. Any tax advisory service out there, if you ask them to review your tax return, they probably charge you $1,000 to $1,500. Okay, here with this program is free. Okay, so you just gotta send us your tax return, and we'll teach you how to identify overpayment in your tax return and stop overpaying. Okay, now additional add-on and members only. Okay, this is for members only. We have guys that manage their own DoorDash. Okay, they own DoorDash for own restaurant, like Jack from Hunan House. He does a really good job managing DoorDash. I've been monitoring. He monitored his DoorDash increase in sales. He update me every single time. He showed me his screenshot. He's so proud of it. So I asked him, can he do this for other customers? So we turn on about 10 restaurants for him to manage, and every single one of them are very happy. Anywhere from $1,000 a week to $4,000. $1,000 a week to $9,000, but it takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. As long as you have someone managing the DoorDash, managing the promotion, and also managing the feedback with the DoorDash customers, you can do it yourself. This kind of service, he does it for you, but there's a fee for it. But the value and benefit outweigh the fee. Okay, but he'll teach you what to do, but just the time. If you don't have the time to do it, you can hire Jack to do this for you. Okay. So Jack managed DoorDash for his own restaurant, very successful, and he's willing to manage other restaurants as well, which he's doing already. Okay. Now, event coordination. We do have event coordinator to coordinate events for restaurants, so you can be part of that program as well if you're part of the membership program. Okay. So that's another outlet for you to connect to and get some event plan hosted at your restaurant as well. Catering coordination. We share the catering service we use to turn on for our own restaurant. So we'd like to share that with you as well. These catering companies has their own fees and stuff, but hey, this way to adjust the fee to make it make sense, and they even help you deliver. We turned on the catering service for about 5 restaurants last week, and we've been getting some catering orders. So these are stuff that help, and you can quickly identify is it working or not. Okay, you can see, I never do catering before, but when I turn on catering, guess what? Catering is coming in, right? So these are all services that we can help you with if you're on the PlanetPOS Power Pack 2026, okay? So that's pretty much, one last thing. Retirement management, right? You know how CalSavers is mandating this whole retirement offering to your staff, we actually can help you manage that too as well. So just let our staff know. We can help you register with CalSaver. If they want to opt in, opt out, they need an explanation, we can even go on site and explain, or go on Zoom and explain how the retirement program works with CalSavers and other companies. So your staff can decide what they want for the future. Because as a business owner, myself included, I don't want to tell all my staff to opt out. I want them to understand they should look into their future, look into their retirement if it's on their mind. And we do have offering here at our own restaurant as well. Say, I own my own restaurant as well. I own about 7 restaurants. So not only I own PlanetPOS and started 28 years ago, I also have a bunch of restaurants that I invested into, run, manage, operate. So I do understand what you guys are going through. So hopefully you enjoy the program. It's not much. I think it's like $300 a month, include a whole bunch of stuff, all jam-packed in there, just to help you out with your restaurant. Okay? The price may go up later, but it won't go up on you. Okay? Lock in the price. We never increase the price on our customers. So once you lock in the price, you're grandfathered in. The new program, the new pricing, may have other new features, and you can jump on those programs as well. But your old program that's not available anymore, will still be honored for you while you're on it. Okay. So thank you. My name is Andy with PlanetPOS. Hopefully you enjoy our program, and give us some feedback. And we'll do the same. Thank you.